Hello and welcome everybody to a wonderful and peaceful, deep breathing meditation and relaxation session. I appreciate you joining me today. My name is Logan and I'll be walking you through a nice and enjoyable guided meditation. So go ahead and find a comfortable seat for yourself that allows your body to rest easy with your arms and legs resting at the side, your body being in a nice comfortable position where you don't need to force anything where it doesn't belong. And you can slowly close your eyes and start to focus in on your breath, breathing in and breathing out nice and carefully, nice and slowly. We don't want to force our breath into something that doesn't belong. You are simply breathing as is. Start to feel your heart rate lower as we continue that big breath through our belly, and relax all that breath all the way through our nose. Relax your body, relax your mind. Be at peace and enjoy being calm. Breathe in and breathe out. This is your time for yourself. Your time to relax and give yourself back life and give yourself back energy. Breathe in and breathe out. Today we're going to do a little bit of imagery. We're going to go on an airplane and take a nice short trip overseas to a tropical location. Go ahead and step off the plane, and we are right on a beautiful beach. Take your sandals off and step into that warm, firm sand. Feel it go in between your toes as the sun beats down on your skin. Look around and notice all the wonderful sights that you see. Perhaps it's some kids playing in the sand. Maybe you see some old couples sitting and relaxing in lawn chairs, laughing with no cares in the world. Or maybe there's nothing around you at all. Whatever it is that you imagine, be present and be at peace, and let this calm you, knowing that you have your perfect situation right in front of you. As you take a couple more breaths and a couple more steps, move closer onto the beach, still feeling that wonderful sand beneath your feet. As every step you take, you become even more calm and relaxed. Breathing in every last bit of energy around you. Breathing every last ounce of energy from the entire situation. All inside of you, breathe in and breathe out. As you look over the distance, you notice a nice chair with a nice cold drink sitting next to it, condensation dripping off the side. This looks nice for you. Feel free to take a few steps over to the seat, slowly sit down, and take a nice long sip of your drink. Perhaps it's water, maybe it's a cold beer. Whatever drink puts you in a calm and easy situation, take a nice long sip. Take a look at those sights again. Has your surroundings changed? Do you see anything different? What about the smell? Do you smell food, or do you just smell the nice, calming ocean breeze coming off the big body of water? As your hair gets blown away through all the good sensations of the wind, be at peace and be in the moment of where you are sitting, enjoying your beverage, and maybe enjoying some company around you. Breathe in and breathe out. You are at peace and you are one with yourself. Take some time to notice how relaxed you now are, how relaxed your heart is, how relaxed your body is, and how relaxed your mind is. If you do notice your mind starts to drift away at any point, just put yourself back in your comfortable situation in your nice cozy chair, sipping some tea, a beer, or maybe even some water on the beach, and allowing that nice gentle breeze of the ocean whip through your hair and put you in a peaceful mood. As we finish these last few moments here, remind yourself that we can come back here very soon. There's no need to be sad. We'll all be able to come back in the near future. Go ahead and take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, we'll open our eyes and rejoin ourselves in the real world. I hope you have a wonderful and peaceful rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me on this guided meditation. We'll make sure to catch you in the next one.